حافظ اسرار الهی کس نمیداند، خموش. از که میپرسی که دور روزگاران را چه شد؟
Shabi Yalda, Yalda night, or Shabi Chela, night of 40, is an Iranian festival celebrated on the longest and darkest night of the year. Yalda is a winter solstice celebration, that is, in the night of the northern hemisphere's winter solstice. Calendarically, this corresponds to the night of the 21st of December in the Gregorian calendar, and to the night between the last day of the 9th month, Azar, and the first day of the 10th month, day, of the Iranian civil calendar. Yalda night is a beautiful ancient Iranian celebration. Yalda night is the last evening of the autumn day or the night opening the initial 40-day period of the 3-month winter. This night has been used in many Iranian poems to describe a dark night in which one gets separated from a loved one, creating loneliness and waiting. Other countries such as Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan are also celebrating this night.
گره از زلف یار باز کنید، شبی خوش است بدین قصه‌اش دراز کنید. حضور خلوت انس است و دوستان جمعند، و انیکات بخوانید و در فراز کنید. هر آن کسی که در این حلقه نیست زنده به عشق، بر او نمرده به فتوای من نماز.
Every Yalda night people are gathering with their loved ones. They would especially go to their grandparents' house, eat, drink and read poetry, Hafiz, during the holy evening to pass the darkest evening of the year with laughter and joy. Iranians believe those who begin winter by eating summer fruits would not fall ill during the cold season. Honestly, this evening is filled with different type of food. Gaining weight is very common in that evening. The most important fruits of the evening are pomegranate and watermelon. Without them, there is no Yalda night. The color of these fruits symbolize the cycle and glow of life. These days you can find everything in the shape and color of these fruits, such as cake, cupcakes, or even in home accessories. During this night people also read Hafiz poetry. Iranians believe in Hafiz as much as believing in God. People make a wish, open a book of Hafiz, and the first poem they see is the interpretation of the wish and whether and how it will come true. Eating is the delicious part of Yalda night. Iranians eat nuts, watermelons, and pomegranates on this special night and share the last remaining fruits from summer together. Fruits of Shabi Yalda have symbolic significance as well. Some believe that watermelon symbolizes the sun by its spherical shape, while others believe that eating watermelon keeps one safe from being hurt by winter diseases. Pomegranate is also a symbol of birth, and its bright red seeds symbolize the glow of life. Reading poems from Divani Hafiz, Fali Hafiz, is an entertaining tradition of Yalda night. Each of the members of a family or a group of friends makes a wish while keeping it as a secret and randomly opens the book. Then the eldest member of the family or friends reads the randomly selected poem loudly. Since the poem is believed to be the interpretation of the wish and the way it would come true, it is fun to interpret the poem and guess the wishes others make. In this way, the last and the longest night of autumn comes to an end happily and the first great day of winter begins.